Hello everyone, my name is Ege Demirsoy. I am a student in Bilkent University and my department is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Now I will present my Physics 102 project. The main objective of my experiment was to systematically investigate how an electromagnet's magnetic field is affected by two specific independent variables. First, the electric currents flowing through the wire, which is represented by I, and second, the number of turns in the coil, which is represented by N. Here is my ruler, here is my ferrite rod, and my Gauss meter, copper wires, and lastly DC power supply. These were the required equipments for my project, and now we can begin the experiment. Here you can see my setup, and I am measuring the magnetic field using Gauss meter. Here is my ferrite rod with the setup 15 turns of copper wire and 6 cm of length. And here you can see the value that I measured with Gauss meter for the setup 15 number of turns, 6 cm length and 1.5 amperes. Here you can see my setup with 25 turns. Here you can see my results for part A. In part A, I changed the current and the other things remained same. You can see my error rates are 35.9, 39.8, 42.1 for part A. And here you can see my results for part B. In part B, I changed the number of turns and other things remained same. In part B, my errors are 42.1, 35.9, 44.9. These errors may be caused from systematic errors such as demagnetization factor of the finite rod geometry, significant magnetic flux leakage occurring at the tips, inaccuracies in Gauss meter measurements, physical feature measurements, and environmental factors that affects magnetic field. For part A, IB graph has plotted, and for part B, NB graph has plotted. Overall, using the graphs and other values that is measured, magnetic field's direct dependence to the number of turns and electric current is validated. This experiment interviewed factors that are affecting magnetic field of electromagnets using an electromagnet experiment setup. Thank you for watching.